Hey there, beauties. Welcome back to Wendy's World. So I am in the middle of winter in Toronto, Canada, and I was thinking I wanted to lighten up my hair. Now, presently, what I am using is the semi-permanent color from Clairol Natural Instincts. Now, I wanted to do something different and I want to lighten my hair. Now, in order to lighten my hair, I have to use a permanent color. So I chose Clairol Age Defy. Now, Clairol Age Defy says it covers all gray, but I don't have any gray. Lucky me. So I'm still going to use this product. Now, what comes in the box is one, which is the intensifying pre-treatment serum, and then the rich permanent color, the Age Defy activating cream, and then the conditioner. So because I don't have any roots, I'm just going to start coloring right away. And first off, what I'm going to do is do the intensifying pre-treatment serum. So I guess it prepares your hair. There we go. Okay, so I'm going to do the treatment. Oh, and by the way, what you need to do is to wear an old t-shirt like I have right here. And that's what you need to do. You need to also get an old towel, a couple of towels, one to stand on if you desire, and then the other around your neck. Okay? So I've gotten all of the pre-treatment out, and I'm just going to put it in my hair. Now it says you need to wash your hands afterwards when using this treatment, but you don't wash it out of your hair. Okay, so there you go. Now, because I don't have any roots, I don't need to do that. It does say that if you're gonna color your hair and you've never colored your hair before, then you need to leave it in longer. And I am going to do that because I haven't colored my hair with permanent hair color before. Okay, so I have the treatment. I really need to get the treatment onto the ends because, as you and I know, the ends are what's really dry and needs this treatment. Okay. There you have it. Now, I'm going to look at the instructions again to make sure I know. It says, if you have never colored or want to dramatically change your current color, which is my situation, then you will leave this on for 35 minutes. Okay? So the next thing is to take your towel, it around. Okay. By the way, notice there's this beautiful picture behind me, and it is painted by a local artist. Love supporting local artists. All right. So then you take this, which is the activating cream, and you will take the rich permanent color cream, and you will put it in. And the next thing, of course, as I'd mentioned, you need to wear those gloves. So here we go, ladies. Now, like in all my videos, I just use what is available to me in the box. So I don't have a brush like most cosmetologists would have. I am just going to use exactly what you will have available to you as well. So therefore, you will see the results. Put on your gloves. Okay. And shake this up, okay? Then you're going to open it up. You're going to take the Age Defy color. You're going to take the tip. You're going to open it that way. You're going to pierce it. And then you're going to put it all in. Now, it's important that you put in the entire contents of this, like I am trying to do right now. You're going to take the cap. You're going to Screw it on. Then you're going to shake, and you're going to shake it really, really good because you are mixing the color right now. Okay. Now you're going to take off the tip and you will start applying. They say take little sections at a time. Whoops. And there you go. Now, I love Clairol, and I'm going to tell you why. Because it's inexpensive and it's an easy product to use. Now, I do and have gone to the salon like you have and spent, I don't know, $100, $150. So doing it at home, yeah, it's a bit of a pain. It's true. You have those situations. It is a bit of a pain. However, you will save probably $100 every time. And I don't know, the thing about going to a salon, even though I love it, is you end up kind of getting talked into doing things that you really didn't want to do. I don't know what that is. I guess it's the excitement and just seeing all the ladies doing their color and getting all these new hairstyles. You get kind of excited and kind of swept up in the process. So then you end up having regrets. Well, this way you've already thought about what you want to do and you don't feel any pressure because you're all alone. And you have time to think about this. So I've thought about this, and permanent is kind of scary for me, but I've done permanent before and I want to see what happens with this particular product. And I am bringing you in with me. So make sure that you get your tips well covered as well. And you're not supposed to rub it into your scalp. You're actually just rubbing it into your hair. Don't rub it into your scalp, ladies. Don't you love saving money? You can take that $100 and you can invest it. You can buy some extra toys for your beautiful dog. You can buy some beautiful clothes because spring is coming. And with your new hair color, wow, you're gonna look wonderful. So I'm gonna continue with this and I'll be right back. Hey my beauties, I am back. So I washed out my hair and I put this wonderful deep conditioner called Pureology by Superfood. It's wonderful. I highly recommend you go and purchase it. After all, you did introduce chemicals to your hair and you should deep condition it. So I put it in my hair for about half an hour. I'm going to rinse it out and I'll be right back. Look how gorgeous my hair is. Look how vibrant it is. Look how deep and beautiful the color is. I've got some beautiful browns happening. It was so easy to do. Go out, get yourself some Clairol. Do it at home, save yourself a shit ton of money, and you'll be so happy you did. Thanks so much for joining me on Wendy's World, and I will see you next time on my next tutorial. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Bye for now.